In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to cancel a WOP Discord subscription in just a few simple steps. If you signed up for a community, a private Discord server, or a monthly membership through WOP, and you want to stop the renewal, this tutorial will walk you through the full process. I'll also explain what happens to your Discord access after you cancel, so you know what to expect. And if this video helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to whop.com. Then sign into your WOP account. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page and click on your profile area. From there, select Orders. This is where WOP keeps all of your active purchases and subscriptions in one place. On the Orders page, you'll see a list of your memberships. Take a moment to find the specific WOP or Discord subscription you want to cancel. If you have more than one active membership, double-check that you're selecting the right one so you don't cancel the wrong subscription by accident. Once you've found it, click on that subscription to open the details page. Inside the subscription details, look for the Cancel Membership option. This is the button you'll use to stop future renewals. Click Cancel Membership, and WOP may show you one or more confirmation prompts to make sure you really want to proceed. Read the prompts carefully, then confirm your choice. After you submit the cancellation, WOP should process it right away. In most cases, you'll also receive an email confirmation, so be sure to check your inbox for the cancellation message. If you don't see it, take a quick look in your spam or junk folder, just in case it was filtered there. That email is useful because it gives you a record that the membership was successfully cancelled. Now here's the important part. Cancelling your WOP subscription does not always remove your Discord access immediately. In most cases, you will keep access to the Discord server, along with any roles tied to your membership, until the end of your current billing period. After that billing cycle ends, WOP's integration should automatically update your roles or remove your access from the server. So if you're trying to leave at the end of a paid period, that's completely normal. If you still have time left on the membership, you can continue using the server until the subscription expires. Just remember that once the billing period is over, your access should end automatically. And that's it. You've now cancelled your WOP Discord subscription and know exactly what happens next. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.